changed the way slides are added to a presentation. No longer do you have the option to see the various layouts here. So when you click on the plus sign, it just adds a slide, but you can change the layout from here. So here I can go here and change it. And the reason they did that is because they introduced something new called templates. So they have a lot of new templates now that you can use, which may be really effective, but it's removed that option. Now, I've also had the question about how do you change the shape of text boxes? So to add a text box, what you can do is you can first of all add a text box and then just place the text in that one. But you can't change the shape of this text box. What you can do is you can go up here to shapes and maybe select a shape that you want. So let's go with triangle. I'll draw a triangle. Now they're always filled, so I'm going to go up here to the paint bucket and make it transparent. The outlining, I can change the color of the outline of the border, so I might make it, let's go with purple, and maybe you want to make it thicker, so you can make it thicker. And then what I can do is I can just right click and I can use edit text. So now that I have this shape, I can just double click on it wherever I want. I can paste the text and then I'll just, enter a few times, and I can just move it into place wherever I want it to go. So that's how I add text into a shape.